Out on another date night at the harbor, y'all. So hey, mama.
Hey y'all. Hey. The last time we was here, we showed them we were on the daytime, so this is the nighttime.
Yeah, this like that nighttime atmosphere. And this is the menu. That's what we're eating off tonight, y'all. Now, I'm probably gonna go with this. And my appetizer is gonna be these crostinis. What you getting, Mom?
So I'm going to get some pasta. It's this rigatoni bolognese. Yeah, with Alfredo sauce and beef. Gotta get me a drink. And then we want to get an appetizer too.
Yeah. I already showed them the crostinis, but what you get?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some pasta.
What appetizer though?
Oh, we just gonna share the crostinis.
Just gonna shred the crostinis?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many you think they come with?
I don't know.
Oh, you ain't trying to share. That's what it is.
I don't know yet.
So we always get the fried shrimp and calamari.
I was looking at that too.
Cause what is this beef ragu mozzarella and pomodoro sauce?
I don't know what that is. Man.
I don't know. We get that too.
Let's get that too and just try something new. So we're gonna go with these two right here. Alright? Yeah.
When you go to different restaurants, do you admire like the serveware? This is so pretty. And then, you know, you just check out the quality of the silverware. That's so nice, y'all. So let me know, comment down below if that's the first thing that you look at when you at a new restaurant is like the serveware.
Alright, so this is what we got. These are our crostinis.
And it's an assortment. So this one is the beef short rib, the smoked salmon, and
I couldn't remember what the third one was.
I can't either.
Right? And then this is the... I didn't know it was meatballs though.
I didn't either. It look good though.
Yes, they do. Ooh, it's stuffed.
Yeah, it got stuff in it. And these came out really fast.
Yes, they did. Like we just ordered it. How is it?
It's good. It's like a sweet sauce. What it tastes like?
You want to say that's like potatoes or something? Or rice.
Rice?
It's like rice.
Okay.
With meat on the inside.
You just like it because it got a lot of sauce on it.
Oh yeah.
You try to eat those while it's hot because that air is kind of like coming down on our food. Oh, where's the little appetizer bread though? They known for like their bread here. Look, we're gonna be full just off this appetizer alone. What does it taste like? Because I don't even remember what that is.
It's like onions, tomatoes, peppers, mushrooms, and like a tomato sauce.
You like it though?
Want to taste it?
Yeah. You were chewing this thing for a minute. Is it too crunchy?
No, it's not that crunchy. It's crunchy, but it's soft. Okay?
I love too. It's sweet.
Sweet, right?
both took a bite already.
Look at that. That giant crab cake. Shrimp. That puree down there is sweet. It's like a corn puree. And they go moms.
Got some pasta and
Her bolognese.
I asked for it to be spicy and they delivered.
They made it hot, spicy for it.
Yeah, it's really good.
And my mac and cheese. And the little cast iron.
And we're still waiting on our drinks.
Yeah, we're still waiting on our drinks.
I ordered some type of blueberry
Something. And I ordered a sangria something. So, yeah, we're waiting on that. All right. Now the drinks have finally came. I got some type of sangria. And Mom got some type of blueberry gin. Oh, and they brought her out some garlic bread. Complimentary.
So I pretty much finished my drink. And Daddy, he still got a whole little cup over there. So right now he just, filling out the check. We getting ready to go. We just staying here so long tonight. Pretty much full, but yeah. How much did we do today? What was the damage? Let me show me your name. Pictures. I'm like, what are you trying to show me?
It's good.
Yes.
Glad y'all enjoyed. Thank you, Mom.
Look out here.
Yeah.
On the other side, it's kind of like sectioned in.
Oh, you want to make me go off first? Look, the little spinning doors, y'all. Look, I like this.
Look on that booty.
Alright, so we back outside. Nightlife at the harbor.
Trying to catch this thing for it.
What?
Total wine.
Oh, you still trying to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hat back on. Where your glasses at?
I think I left them in the car.
Okay. This money.
I think I left them in the car.
Alright, so we full.
Yes.
So now we can do a little bit of walking and talking and look. Me and Daddy matching. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let's see. The Johnny. Look. Now I don't know how you ladies do when you go out on a date, but I like to wear heels because you like to look cute and festive. But I also wanted to be comfortable, and he made me make sure I put my tennis shoes on
Yeah, she had to
tonight.
put her new shoes on tonight.
So it worked out. So
That's just it.
yes. We in the garage, about to go ahead and check out.
Oh, if you're ever in the city and you come to the harbor and you gotta go to the garage, man, the garage be raping. Y'all see that?
Alright, so right now we in the wine store because we gotta pick up some drink so we can go back in the house, and maybe having these like little wine stores is like a big old wine warehouse. So that's where we at right now. Daddy trying to find one of his little favorite beers, or a couple of his favorite beers.
I'm just looking.
Like we having a hard time tonight, y'all. This not the normal one that we go to. This is a different one, but it's called Total Wine. If you're in the DMV area, they pretty much got everything. What's that?
I had this one before. This found this is a breakfast stout.
Okay. What you looking for?
Nothing in particular. We just
We got zombies. What? The zombie does? What the heck is going on up in the store? Look on the
This is
end.
one of the ones I had last time I come. Yeah, this one I had last time.
Okay, it got some s'mores flavor. Look, you really should pick up some beers so we can make our crabs. So we want some crabs this weekend. I don't know if I want to get them or not, though. What's that?
Yeah, that one last time too.
don't really know what you want. You just looking.
Every time I come into the wine, I don't know what I want.
Yeah.
Every time I come in here, I
Uh-huh.
have no idea what I'm actually going to do.
It's just the mood, whatever you just feeling, just gonna gravitate to.